For the past several months now, the price and demand of webcams have risen significantly because of the many people like myself transitioning into working from home. Today we'll be looking at the webcam that I've been using almost every day for the past several months, the RAZER KIYO. Hey everyone, Jerry here and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I do videos on tech and lifestyle, so if that interests you, please consider subscribing. As always, I'll list down the timestamps to this tech review down below in the description so you can jump around as needed. So onto the RAZER KIYO. As I've said before, I've been using this webcam a bunch lately, mainly for work when I have video meetings and calls, but I also use it a lot for the reaction channel I run with my good friend Peter remotely. Check us out at the Chai Guys on YouTube if you're into movie reactions, reviews, and commentary. I will also have it linked down below in the description. The webcam initially came packaged in this nice box here. Inside the box, it was surrounded by this thick, durable foam, which is a little soft, but it's very rigid and durable, which I really like. It's really nice packaging. As usual, it comes with a user manual. And as a complement to all this, it comes with 2 RAZER logo stickers and a nice general note from the CEO of RAZER for choosing this product. I have to say, when I initially unboxed this RAZER webcam, it was a nice and very satisfying experience, which is a huge plus when getting a new piece of tech in my book. In terms of design and looks, the RAZER KIYO has a unique circular trifold shape, which I find very interesting. The bottom hinge clamp area of the RAZER KIYO has this nice rubber padded material which is used to mount onto your laptop screen or your monitor. And on the top hinge, this is used for adjusting the angle of the camera. At the bottom of the webcam, there's also some nice rubber padding like on the bottom hinge, but at the center you can see here is a threaded hole which enables you to mount the webcam onto a tripod, which is a nice touch of added functionality. At the center of the webcam is the camera itself, and surrounding it is this nice illuminated ring. This is by far my favorite feature of this webcam that not many competitors have. The brightness of the illuminated ring can be adjusted by grabbing and twisting the outer rim of the webcam, which has this nice diamond gripped pattern. I'm moving to a different angle here so I can show you how long the cable is. So this comes with a USB 2.0 cable that it's permanently attached to, and it's around 5.5 feet. It's almost about as tall as me if I let it touch the ground, and it comes about right here, and if I stretch it to my wingspan around, it's pretty long. And if you have your PC kind of farther away from your monitor, this really long cable is good to have. On to the specs. So the RAZER KIYO supports 30 FPS at up to 180p and 60 FPS at up to 720p. The field of view is 81.6 degrees, image resolution is at 4 megapixels, and still image resolution is at 2688 by 1520 pixels.
Alright, moving on to the demo for this webcam. I have the RAZER KIYO sitting on top of my monitor, connected to my PC over there. It's good to mention that this webcam comes with an onboard microphone. So if you don't happen to have a microphone already, I personally have one right here, but what you're listening to right now is the RAZER KIYO audio. And I'm recording right now at 30 FPS, and the resolution I set it at is 180p. As you can also see, I have some daylight coming into my room, so this is without using the illuminated light. But now I'm going to turn it all the way up. And this is how it looks. You can see my face is a little bit brighter. You can see the ring if you have glasses, the reflection. That is one downside to using this camera. Alright, we're going to see how this RAZER KIYO looks in the dark. I've closed my curtains in my room from my window, and the only light coming off is from the monitor glare, and this is without the RAZER KIYO light on, but now I'm about to turn that on and see how it looks. all the way on at 100%, but I'm going to turn it down a little bit so there's not as much glare. And yeah, it looks pretty good. If you're in a pitch black room, this light does a good job of just illuminating your face. Another good thing to note here is that this webcam does come with optional software if you want more customizability. It's called the RAZER Synapse, and I'll have a link down below in the description for you to download. And you can mess around with some settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, change these numbers, or using this scroll bar. And they have some presets. Here's cool. Here's the vibrant one, warm. And then you can also have your own custom settings. And there are some advanced settings for you to customize even more, but as I said before, I don't really mess with this that much. I think the only thing I have used was the vibrant feature because it added a bit more contrast to my footage. Yeah, that's the RAZER Synapse software.
So I ended up choosing to purchase the RAZER Kiyo as my everyday webcam for 3 main reasons. The first reason being its versatility. Whether I want to mount the RAZER Kiyo onto my work from home setup on my monitors, or if I'm out and about on my laptop, I can always put it on my laptop screen. And when I'm recording my reaction videos, if I want different viewing angles, I can always mount it on my tripod. The second reason is the video quality. The 180p resolution at 30 FPS is great for my video calls for work or for casual calls with friends and family. But let's say down the road I decide to do a couple live streams or record some of my gameplay. The 720p resolution and 60 FPS is really nice to have. From my experience using this to also make reaction videos, my videos have come out really good and I really like the way it looks. The last reason as to why I got this webcam was the illuminating ring light around the camera. Usually at this price point, other competitors don't include a light source, but if they do, usually it's a small light next to the camera lens itself, which usually isn't as bright compared to this. I really like how this is really bright and covers a whole large area to light up my face and really make me look good on camera. Overall, this camera has been very useful and convenient for all my use cases, and I highly recommend it. I'll have the RAZER Kiyo linked down below in the description. You can get it for around $135 on Amazon. For webcam, this is a bit pricey, but I think it's totally worth it. The versatility, the ring light, and the high video quality are all good reasons to get this webcam, and if you do get it, it's going to be a worthwhile investment. This wraps up my review for the RAZER Kiyo webcam. Found this video helpful? If it did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this and to show your support. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.